Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're into simple, helpful content, be sure to subscribe. We make videos that are easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Appealing a traffic ticket conviction is indeed possible. It is a legal right. However, it is very different from fighting the original ticket. When you appeal, you are not getting a new trial. You are not presenting new evidence. The appeals court does not rehear witnesses. Instead, an appeal focuses on legal errors. The higher court reviews the lower court's proceedings. They look for mistakes made by the judge. They check for errors in legal procedure. They also assess if there was insufficient evidence to support the conviction. This is a crucial distinction. Many people confuse an appeal with a second chance to argue their case. That is not what an appeal is for. The grounds for an appeal are quite specific. A common ground is a legal error. This means the judge applied the law incorrectly. Perhaps they misinterpreted a statute. Another ground is a procedural error. This could be a violation of your due process rights. Maybe evidence was improperly admitted or excluded. Sometimes, an appeal can be based on insufficient evidence. This means no reasonable judge or jury could have found you guilty. They look at the evidence presented at the original trial. They determine if it was enough to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. It is not about feeling you were treated unfairly. It must be a demonstrable legal or procedural mistake. The appeals process itself is complex. It begins with filing a notice of appeal. This must be done within a strict deadline. These deadlines vary by jurisdiction. Missing the deadline can forfeit your right to appeal. After filing, the court prepares a transcript. This transcript is a written record of your original trial. You might have to pay for this transcript. Both sides then submit written legal arguments. These are called briefs. Your brief explains why the lower court made an error. The prosecution's brief argues why the conviction should stand. Sometimes, oral arguments are scheduled. Lawyers present their case directly to the appeals judges. This is a formal legal proceeding. The outcome of an appeal can vary. The appeals court might affirm the lower court's decision. This means they found no reversible error. Your conviction stands. They might reverse the conviction. This means they found a significant error. Your conviction is overturned. In some cases, they might remand the case. This sends the case back to the lower court. The lower court must then correct the error. This could lead to a new trial. Or it could lead to the dismissal of charges. A reversal is rare for minor traffic infractions. It usually requires a clear and impactful legal mistake. Appealing a traffic ticket is often not cost-effective. Legal fees for an appellate lawyer can be substantial. Court costs and transcript fees add up quickly. Weighing these costs against the penalty of the ticket is important. For a simple speeding ticket, an appeal might cost thousands. The fine might only be a few $100s. Many people choose not to appeal for this reason. However, if the conviction has serious consequences, an appeal might be worthwhile. This could include license suspension or increased insurance premiums. Consulting with an attorney is always recommended. An attorney can assess the strength of your appeal. They can guide you through the intricate process. They understand the specific rules of your jurisdiction. Do not attempt an appeal without understanding the full implications. It is a serious legal undertaking. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights and tips.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.